Secretary.
3,
Kuan.
2, 1.
Ano ba iyan? Ay,
Taylor.
Taylor Swift. I wish you better than that.
Inhinyero.
Engineer.
Mangangalakal.
Local. Ay, localist. Trader.
Yes.
Unsa
Trader.
man na, uy.
Ibagay ko ni. 80. Next. Premium. Tagapag-ayos ng buhok.
Hairstylist. Hairdresser.
Yes. Tubero.
Tuber. Tuber. Plumber.
Yes.
Unsa man na, uy.
Servidor.
Service.
No.
Servister. Thank you.
Servidor.
Secretary. Governor.
Grabe si Pam ang servidor.
Poor people.
Waiter or servant.
Ay, lagi mo na ko i-answer.
Next. Mananaliksik.
Mananaliksik. Familiar.
Mananalik.
Pahingo to.
Manghiliksik. Answer is researcher. Last. Patnugot.
Just the word. Hint. Hand.
Hinte. Ako anong trabaho?
Housewife.
No.
Editor.
Yes! What? Sino trabaho na ko talaga? Bilangkan. Wala, oy. Ang pala isa tuwat. Hindi na.
So, that's it for today's video. That's it for today's video. Until next vlog mga megs. That's your one. And